Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can put a picture inside a shape in PowerPoint. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you will need to open the Microsoft PowerPoint application on your PC and make sure you have the 2013 version or above. Now, create a blank presentation and you will be redirected to this interface. Here, go to the Insert tab from the top and then insert a shape of your choice. For this tutorial, I'm going to draw a circle. After you have the circle, you can then try inserting the image. Now, there are two ways of inserting an image. First one is through Shape Fill. For that, go to the Home tab, click on this button, and then select Picture. Now, a pop-up will appear on your screen. Simply select the first option and then choose the target image. After inserting the image, you can see that it doesn't look right and is unprofessional. In order to make it look more professional, navigate to the Insert tab, select Picture, then choose Picture from Device, and then select the target image. Once done, place the shape on the image so that it covers the included area you would like to display. After that, right-click on the imported image and select Crop. Now crop the image to the shape's frame and press the Enter key. Once done, move the shape away and right-click on the image. Then click on Cut and again right-click on the shape. After that, select the Format Shape feature and then navigate to this Fill section. Now expand the Fill menu, select Picture or Texture, and then click on the Clipboard button. You can also change the shape from the Change Shape menu, but the picture inside it will be retained. So that's basically how you can put a picture inside a shape in PowerPoint. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.